In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your checkout settings in Shopify to tailor the customer information you need for each order. Understanding how to adjust these settings can greatly enhance your customer's experience while streamlining your order processing. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon that represents settings. This is your go-to area for modifying how your store functions, so go ahead and click on it. After you're in the Settings menu, your next step is to focus on the panel to the left. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to your store's operations, but for our purpose, you'll need to click on the one labeled Checkout. This section contains all the settings related to how your customers will experience the checkout process. Now, once you're in the Checkout area, you'll want to direct your attention to the segment titled Customer Information. This section is pivotal because it allows you to specify which details you want to gather from your customers during checkout. The choices you make here can impact your marketing strategies and how efficiently you manage deliveries. Within the customer information area, you have a variety of options. These include the full name, company name, address line 2, shipping address, and phone number. Each of these can be customized to suit your business requirements. For example, you might find that having a company name is essential for B2B transactions, but not necessary for consumer sales. Similarly, including a phone number might be incredibly beneficial if you need to quickly resolve delivery issues. Each field here can be set to one of three states: required, optional, or hidden. Setting a field as required matriz means the customer must fill it before proceeding. Optional gives the customer a choice, which may streamline the process for some, while hidden removes it entirely from the checkout page. After carefully considering your options and making the necessary changes that best fit your needs, you need to remember one crucial step: saving those changes. Look toward the top of the page where you'll see a Save button. It's easy to forget this step, especially after getting into the flow of configuring your settings, but it's vital to ensure that everything you've adjusted is applied to your checkout process. And that's it. By using these simple yet powerful customization tools in Shopify, you're well on your way to creating a more efficient and user-friendly checkout experience for your customers. Remember, a smooth checkout process not only enhances customer satisfaction, but can also positively impact your sales and conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!